Let's get started with Teespring. Just going to log in using Facebook. That'll do. All right, and the first thing we want to do on this page, start with a quick start guide down the bottom, and we're going to create a product. But before we can create a product, we have to get a design for our shirt. Just going into Photoshop, make a new file. The dimensions we want are 12 inches wide by 16 inches high and 300 dots per inch. Okay, we start off with a black background. We're going to have white text on a black background, but the black will come from the shirt. So let's type in the text. Just something simple. You are a cutie pie. Okay, so now, because we just want to print the white letters and not this black background, I'm just going to just turn off the background. And now you'll see these grey and white squares. That means that it's transparent. So nothing on those squares is going to be printed. But let's export it as a PNG. PNGs preserve the transparency, which is exactly what we want. Okay, let's jump back into Teespring, create product, and we're just going to start off with a regular shirt. So unisex shirt, just a classic tee. We're going to be selling these on our marketplace. Okay, this is the whole t-shirt designer. So what we want to do is change the color to black, because it's going to be white text on a black background, and yeah, there's other color options there. This one's fine for us. So let's add our image. It's got prints that can be done on the front and the back, but we're just going to do the front. There we go, you're a cutie pie. Now we can change our prices here. This one, we can make it a bit cheaper. Same for the euro. And continue. All right, so these are the options we have for the different types of apparel, and there's also accessories like mugs and stuff down the bottom. But we're just going to stick with the classic tee for now. Continue. And there we go. Now it's time to create a title for it. And this is the description. So you go into a bit more detail about the shirt. All right, visibility is usually set to public. If you were going to upload a whole bunch of them and keep them kind of hidden until you're ready to release, you can do it as private. We're just going to do public. Publish listing. There we go. There it is in our store page. Okay, what we want to do now is create a storefront. So storefronts will contain all of your different items of apparel. It's like you want to direct people to the store page so they can see everything. We're just going to call this random store. Okay, now let's add our t-shirt to the store. Add products. Yep, it's the only one in there at the moment. Done, and there we go. Our shirt's in the store. All right. As long as you keep following those instructions, you'll be all set to create more items in your store.